When you invest in a large solar plant, the inverter plays a crucial role in defining system performance, safety, and long-term returns. NXI grid-tie inverters are engineered for utility projects and the PM Kusum scheme, ensuring reliable performance and smooth grid integration. With 250 kilowatts and 350 kilowatts capacity options and up to 99% efficiency, NXI converts more solar energy into usable power. Partial shading is unavoidable in solar installations. In conventional systems, shading on a single panel can reduce the output of the entire string. NXI's ShadeSol technology enhances the power generation in affected sections and keeps the rest of the plant performing efficiently. This ensures stable generation even under imperfect conditions. NXI also performs efficiently under low light conditions, allowing earlier startup and extended generation hours during cloudy or overcast days. Overheated connectors are a common cause of system failure. NXI continuously monitors DC connector temperatures and detects abnormal heat early before it leads to downtime. On the output side, AC temperature monitoring ensures safe and stable grid export. Identifying underperforming panels across a large solar plant can be extremely time-consuming. NXI's smart IV curve diagnostics automatically analyzes string performance and identifies faults quickly. Built-in Type 2 DC surge protection shields your panels and wiring from voltage spikes, keeping your system safe and avoiding costly downtime. Type 2 AC surge protection ensures grid connection stays secure, so your plant runs smoothly without unexpected failures. In rare fault conditions, NXI's anti-explosion design enhances plant safety and protects surrounding infrastructure. Designed to operate in extreme temperatures from -30 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, NXI delivers stable performance across diverse environmental conditions. NXI operates reliably even beyond 4,000 meters, ensuring dependable generation in high-altitude regions. In agricultural installations, dust is unavoidable. NXI's self-cleaning fan system reduces manual maintenance and maintains optimal cooling efficiency, delivering consistent performance and a longer inverter life. A solar plant is a long-term investment, and NXI supports it with a 10-year standard warranty. It is also IEC and CEA certified, meeting internationally recognized standards for safety, durability, and performance. When support is required, trained engineers, high availability of replacement inverters, and a strong nationwide service network ensure quick response and minimal downtime. NXI is designed to maximize generation, minimize operational risk, and reduce lifetime maintenance costs. For large solar projects that demand performance, protection, and dependable support, NXI is a smarter long-term investment.